People are getting high on anti-assquake drugs. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration is investigating a diarrhea medication with opiate-like effects. Federal health officials said the drug Imodium has caused several overdoses and cites the nation's opiate abuse problem. According to NBC News, many of the overdoses were accidental, but users have been taking Imodium to help curb cravings for highly addictive opioid drugs. Imodium, also known as loperamide, is intended to control the Hershey squirts. In high doses, the drug is extremely dangerous and could cause heart problems. The FDA warned those prescribed the drug to contact their doctor if they experienced heart-related symptoms. The FDA also recommended restricting over-the-counter sales of Imodium, similar to other easily abused medications, as they consider it a cause in heart failure cases. So maybe having a little case of the Mississippi mudslides is the least of your worries.